Good evening, everybody. I've just received my parcel that I ordered from Sophie's Craft Creations a couple of days back for a frame that is for my memorabilia for the Taylor Swift concert that we're going to in June. And I'm really excited. I'm going to open this now and you can have a look and see what it looks like. Okay, let's go and open my package. Beautifully presented. Wow, fragile label, so to make sure that it comes protected. Oh, it's all double wrapped. Oh, look. Oh, wow. I've got a special message. Oh, I've got a friendship bracelet with it. Oh my goodness gracious. Thank you, Swiftie, for your order from Sophie's Craft Creations. I appreciate your support so much. I've made you a gift of a handmade friendship bracelet with love from me to you. Please handle it with care as it contains small parts. Love from Sophie. What a lovely idea. It's got Wembley written on it as well. Incredible. So, okay, let's have a look at the actual frame itself. I can't wait. It looked so good when I saw it on the Tik Tok shop that I had to order one. So, wow. Oh, it's very well packaged, which is good. Oh, we've got a box inside as well. Let me just cast that to one side and open up the box and then take a look and see. We have a Sophie's Craft Creation logo on the front. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. I will show you in 1 second. Let me just reveal this, take away the bubble wrap. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is amazing, absolutely amazing. Got the date on that I'm going to the concert as well. And that is just absolutely fabulous. I will post this and I will tag Sophie's Craft Creation as well into it. So thank you very much, and also thank you for this wonderful extra gift. Wonderful, fantastic. Thanks again.